G'day, young explorers! Today we're diving into the vibrant world of Songkran, Thailand's traditional New Year celebration. Every year, from the 13th to the 15th of April, the land of smiles turns into a joyous water battlefield. But why water, you ask? In Thai culture, water symbolizes purity and cleansing, washing away the old to welcome the new. Now picture this: streets filled with laughter, water guns, and buckets, everyone drenched from head to toe, but with beaming smiles. It's not just about the epic water fights, though. Songkran is a time for family, respect, and tradition. Many Thai people visit temples, offer food to monks, and pay respect to their elders by gently pouring water over their hands. Did you know? Songkran was originally celebrated only in northern Thailand, and it wasn't until the 20th century that it became a national holiday. So there you have it, Songkran, a festival of water, warmth, tradition, and fun. Ready to join the splashiest party on Earth?